TECNO Camon 40 Pro unboxing. Let's go!
Legend has it this phone takes faster photos than your iPhone. Wait, I can explain.
Let me tell you something. All right. Let me tell you something.
Meet the Camon 40 Pro, TECNO's latest addition to the Camon series, and one of its major selling points is the camera, precisely the flash snap feature. The Camon 40 Pro is equipped with a 50 megapixel Sony 𝘱𝘰𝘸𝘦𝘳𝘧 sensor with fast shutter speed that allows it to capture good photos of subjects in motion. It also gets a dedicated button for the flash snap feature, which you can remap to carry out other actions. I use mine for flashlight. But the Camon 40 Pro is not just about cameras. They've improved so much with the software, from the font down to the sound, even down to AI integration. From the moment you power on the device, the assistant Ella is there to guide you through the setup. There is AI image extender, and it's got circle to search. It is also a durable phone with Gorilla Glass 7i, IP68 and IP69 rating. Most flagships don't even get IP69. The Camon 40 Pro is powered by the MediaTek Helio G100. It will get 3 years of OS upgrades, and it currently retails for just over 350k. I like what they've done with the design. Where have we seen this before?